Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to create an account on Twitch. I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Twitch. It is because you saw someone using it, or maybe you heard something about the Twitch app, so you want to give it a try by just making an account on it. Or you got some work related to Twitch app, so you want to create an account on it. Or whatever the reason it could be for you. In this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Twitch app in your mobile phone. If you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play or App Store. And once it can install, you just have to simply tap on its icon. As you can see, this is the icon of the Twitch app. This is how the app looks. You just have to simply tap on it to open the app. Once you open the app, you will see its interface. You will see few words written on the screen like games, music, talk shows, sports, and other stuff. These all are words related to this app. At the bottom, we have two options, login or sign up. So if you have an account, so you have to get login. Otherwise, as we are here to create an account, therefore we have to click on sign up, which is the right bottom option. So just simply tap on this option to create an account. Once we get into the sign up section, first we have to enter the contact number through which we can create an account. If you don't want contact number, then you can use your email. You can either use your contact number or your email address. It's all up to you. So whatever you have selected, just enter that either email or contact number. After that, you have to enter your username. The username should be unique. If someone else has the same username that you have added, then it will not allow you to use that username. After that, you have to enter the password. You could create any password of your choice. And at the last, you have to enter your date of birth. Once you're done doing all that, you just have to simply click on this next option and it will take us to the next step through which we can create our account. After that, it will send a verification code on your email address or maybe on your phone, whatever you have chosen. Then you have to paste that code here, and after that, you just have to simply click on submit. Once you verify your account through your email or contact number, after that, you have to simply click on continue and your account will be ready to use. Now you can use it, can post different things on it, can watch different live streams, can follow people, can do whatever you want to do on this app. There are multiple options available all over the screen. You can check them and can use them and can do whatever you wanted to do on that app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on Twitch app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.